Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can install apps on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. It's nothing difficult, pretty easy, but there are two things that we're gonna need first. First, we need to check out the Wi-Fi if you are connected. So when you're gonna swipe here, you can see clearly that I'm connected to Wi-Fi. That's the first thing. And the second thing is when you're gonna go to settings, we need to check if we are connected to our Google account. So when we're going to swipe down, here we're going to find Google, and here on accounts, you're going to find your account to which you are connected. So when we have the account and when we have the Wi-Fi, now we're going to install the apps. So what you want to do is let's go back. And we're going to go find here the Google Play. Do you see that? So in the applications, you want to find Google Play. And we just wait until it's going to load. And look at this. So we have the classic watch faces or discover new apps. So let's say we want to install Google Wallet. I can choose it and use that. Or again, another watch faces, contacts, for gamers, podcasts and more. And you can have like plenty of apps here, or you can just search here. So let's say we're gonna write here productivity. Okay, search. What's going to happen? It's going to find us like to-do list, right? And I can, or Google Keep, I can install it. And now we're just going to wait until it's going to install, and then we can just use it. And that's how easy it is, right? So it's amazing. Or you can install Spotify. And it's downloading right now. So that's something you can do. And we can just wait until it's going to get downloaded. And you can always scroll down below and you see the reviews here, downloads, for example, how many people probably downloaded on Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, or how many apps I have. I don't know what this number means. And then you see other things here. And you can also rate this app, and these are the ratings of other people. So you can find everything here regards it. And it's like the download is so low. But you know, we take it. But that's how we're gonna do it. You can also install this way WhatsApp or other applications. And as you can see right now, it's installed. So we're going to press open. And look at this. So it's syncing the keyboard right now with our phone that we have the app there and Gmail account. And we can just create a node and everything. And this is how it works for whatever app you're going to have. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.